3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 13, 15, 18. How much discount? 2 rupees is there. Share allotment account data 50,000 is for. And how many shares you could not receive? 110. You must be savable 110. How much left over? 9,995 rupees. This is your cash at bank. Hello everybody, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Financial Accounting 3 of third semester BBA. We are going to discuss issue of shares of a joint stock company. In the previous session, we discussed about the share. Share can be, what is a share? Share is a part of share capital. What is the share? Share is a part of share capital, or the capital of a joint stock company has been divided into number of units. Each unit is called a share. Share can be issued in 3 ways: share at a par, share at a premium, share at a discount. If 100 rupees share issued at rupees 100, it is called share at a par. If 100 rupees share issued at rupees 120, it is called share at a premium. If 100 rupees share issued at rupees 90, it is called share at a discount. So share can be issued in 3 ways: share at a par, share at a premium, share at a discount. In the last session, I discussed about the share at a premium. This session, I am going to discuss about share at a discount. This is a problem, share at a discount. If you see the problem, you can understand. X Company Limited issued 50,000 shares of 20 each at a discount of rupees 2 rupees per share. What is your face value? 20. At a discount of 2 means it is issued at rupees 18 only. So they issue 3 on application, 4 on allotment, 6 on first call, second call rupees 2, 3 rupees on the final call. Actually, if they not mention where the discount is allowed, this is a common assumption, discount is allowed on allotment. What is the real value? 4 plus 2 is 6 is the real value. How much already discount allowed? 2 rupees. How much you are showing? 4. If we see that 3 plus 4, 7 plus 3, 13, 15, 18. How much discount? 2 rupees is there. The company received 55,000 share, means application 55,000. How many shares are there? 50,000. How many application received? 55,000. Out of that, 10,000 rupees, they say, was returned. That is 55,000 into 3 is 1,65,000 we received. Out of it, how much returned? 10,000. How much till we have got? 1,55,000. Actually you require 50,000 into 3, 1,50,000 only. How much more is there? 5,000, that is adjusted to allotment account. Then he says balance was adjust money due on allotment. Mr. X, who holds 60 share, fails to pay second and final call. He fails to pay second and final call. Mr. Y holds how many share? 50 share. Fails to pay the final call. X holds 60 share. He fails to pay the second call of 2, final call of rupees 3. Whereas Mr. Y holds how many share? 50 share, fails to pay the final call of rupees 3. So how many shares were forfeited? 110. But only 85 shares were reissued at rupees 17 per share. Or 60 of X, 50 of Y, 110 shares were cancelled out. Forfeited means cancelled out. But how many shares were reissued? Only 85, means till we have got the balance shares, 85, 15, 25,000 shares are there. Forfeited, not reissued, to the extent of how many? 25 shares are there. So totally 60 plus 50 is 110, reissued 85, till how many shares left over? 25, forfeited, not reissued, at what rate? Rupees 17. I will show how it will be worked out now. You receive 55,000 application. How many application received? 55,000. What's the rate? 3 rupees. It is 3 5s are 15, 16. 1,65,000 you receive application money. Actually require here 50,000 into 3. You have got 50,000 share at the rate of 3 means you require 1,50,000. The balance is 15,000. Excess is there. How much money you receive? 1,65,000. But we require 1,50,000. How much excess there? 50,000. How much return? How much we have returned? 10,000. This money have been returned. How much still you have got? Another 5,000 adjusted to allotment. Totally how much you receive? 1,65,000 on 55,000 share. Actually require 1,50,000. How much excess is there? 15,000. How much money returned? 10,000. How much till you have got? 5,000 adjusted to allotment. This you have to remember. You receive 1,65,000, but here 1,50,000 is required. Here then 15 rupees, 15,000 excess is there, adjusted to how much return? 10,000, then 5,000 adjusted to allotment account. So then regarding the discount, I will show you. You got 4 rupees. Here 2 is the discount. What is shares are 50,000 into 4 is 2 lakh. 50,000 2 is 1 lakh. Totally 50 into 6 is 3 lakh is required. How much discount allowed? 1 lakh. What's the amount to be received? 2 lakh rupees. That I am going to show how it will be worked out. Here, first entry, bank account data are 1,65,000 to share application account. How many application received? 55,000 application received at the rate of rupees 3. How many application we received? 55,000 we received. At what rate? 3 rupees. You receive 1,65,000 received. Out of share application, what's the entry? Bank account data to share application. Share application account data to share capital. Actually, you have got 50,000 share of rupees 3 each. How much you require? 1,50,000 is required. Then you allotted how much returned to here? Returned. How much money returned? 10,000 has been returned to the public. So how much till you have got? 5,000 adjusted to allotment. What is the first entry? Bank account data to share application account. Second entry, share application account data to share capital account. Then to share allotment, excess amount have been adjusted to 5,000. Still how much money have been returned? 10,000 has been returned to public because their shares are not allotted. What's called application have been rejected. Money have been refunded. If we receive the money, what's the entry? Bank account data to share application account. If we pay back the money, entry share application account data to bank account. Then we'll go to the entry for allotment. Due entry. Share allotment account data. This is 50,000 into 4. Share allotment account data 50,000 is 4. Discount 2 rupees. 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. What's the entry? Share allotment account data, discount and issue of shares account data to share capital account. Totally how much money to be received? 3 lakh. How much discount allowed? 1 lakh. You remember this is your 1 lakh is the discount account. Then when you are going to collect, we won't collect the discount. You are going to collect how much money? 2 lakh. Out of 2 lakh, how much already is in application? 5,000 here. 2 lakh to be received. This is to be received. How much already is in application? 5,000. That's already credited. If you want, I will show you. How much already credited? 5,000 is there now. So you are going to receive how much money? 1,95,000 to share allotment account. Actually, we have to receive 3 lakh. How much already allowed the discount? 1 lakh rupees is already allowed. Then what's the money to be collected? 2 lakh. Out of that 5,000 is already collected in application to the allotment is considered. What's the balance to collect is 1,95,000. Then due entry for the first call. Share first call account data. How many shares are there? This is for share first call account data to share capital account. If you see, what's the first call? 6 rupees. 50,000 into 6. Share first call account data 50,000 into 6, 3 lakh. 2 share capital accounts, 3 lakh. So members have been paid on the second and final call. All have been paid the first call. What is the next entry? Bank account data to share first call account. All the money has been received. What's the amount due entry? Share first call account data to share capital account. When I receive the money, entry is bank account data to share first call account. Then due entry for the second call. Here now, you got 2 rupees in the second call, 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. What's the due entry? Share second call account data to share capital account. So we have to receive 1 lakh rupees. Mr. X holds how many share? 60 share. Fails to pay the second and final call. 60 shares are not there. Out of 50,000, 50 shares gone now. What's left over? 49,940 only. Here, share first call account data 3 lakh. 2 share capital account 3 lakh. Bank account data to share first call account. Regarding the final call, you have to receive 2 rupees. 50,000 into, you have to receive the 2 rupees. How many shares money could not be received? You got about 50,000. Out of that, 60 shares we could not receive. You are going to receive 49,000. This is 49,940 shares money you are going to receive. What's the amount you got here? 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh you have to receive. Here you are going to receive 49,940 at the rate of rupees 2 only. Actually, you have to receive on rupees 50,000. How many shares money you could not receive? 60 share. How many shares money you are going to receive? 49,940 at what rate? 2 rupees. You are going to receive 99,890 we are receiving. For how many share? 49,940 share. It's only for 49,940 share. Then we'll go to a final call. Final call is rupees 3 entry. Share final call account data 50,000 into 3. 1,50,000 to be received on 50 share final call account data to share capital account. Now, first man X holds how many share? 60 share, fails to pay. Then second man holds how many share? 50 share, fails to pay. On how many shares we could not get? 110 shares has gone. 110 shares are gone. So I will show you our working note. I will show the working note now. You got 50,000 shares. Agreeable? First man holds how many share? 60 share. Second man holds 50. 110 shares are gone. 0, this is 9, this is 8, this is 9. So you are going to receive 49,890 only. This is the shares money you are going to receive. 49,890. Here, bank account. See that? Share final call account data. At what rate you have to receive? 3 rupees. Here, if I will show you. I will show in the working note. I will show you. Into 3. 3 0. 3 9s are 27. 3 8s are 24 plus 2 26. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 29. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 1. So you are going to receive 1,49,670. I will show you. See that? This amount. So you are going to receive out of 50,000. How many shares money you could not receive? 110 shares money you could not be received. So balance money you are going to receive. I have shown in the working note how much money you are going to receive. 1,49,670 out of 50,000 share. How many what's called share could not be received? 110 has gone. Means out of 50, you could not be received 110 shares. 0, 9, 8, 9 mean. This 49,890 into 3. It works out how much? 1,49,670 you are going to receive. On how many shares you could not receive? 110. You must be careful. 110. The remaining members already become the shareholders. Then the problem says reissued. Here, first one, Share capital account debtor. This is the entry for feature. So first man holds how many share? 60 share. He has to pay rupees 20. This goes in favor of X. This goes in favor of X. How many shares he hold? 60 share. He has to pay 20,200. What he has paid? He paid application, he paid allotment, he paid the first call. He could not pay the final call of rupees 3, second call of rupees 3, final call of rupees, totally 5 rupees. This is called in arrears, called by the company, not paid by the shareholder is 60,000 into 5. How much discount is there? 2 rupees, 60 into 2. This is 120. This is already paid. What he has paid? He paid application. I will show you in your problem. He paid application 3, allotment 4, first call 6 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 13 rupees is already paid on how many shares? 60 shares. This is 60 into 13. 780 is already paid. It's already paid 780. Paid. He could not pay the first call. He could not, that is the second call. And the final call, he could not pay. The share have been cancelled out, which is called forfeiture. Whatever money has been paid, 780, that goes in favor of the company. How much already paid? 780, that goes in favor of the company. Here, we must be careful about the discount. You are showing the face figure of 20. It is not 20, it is only 18. You are showing how much money? 20. Difference is 2. As per the Companies Act, you have to show the full figure. Discount here, difference is 18 rupees. How much discount? 120 credit 20. So regarding the second man, he has got 50 shares. What's the face value? 20. So 15 to 20, 1,000. What he has paid? Application he has paid. Allotment he has paid. First call he has paid. Second call he fails to pay the final call. He could not pay the final call. So final call is 50 into 3. 150. Discount 50 into 2. But how much already paid? This is 750 has been paid. 750 on what? Application, allotment. I'll show you the problem. What's your application? 3. Allotment 4, 3 plus 4, 7. 6, 13 plus 15 he has paid. But he fails to pay the final call. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 6, 13 plus 2, 15 he has paid. On how many shares? 50 shares are there. Here. On how many shares? 50 shares. He has paid 15 rupees. What is 15 rupees? Application, allotment, first call, second call, fails to pay the final call. Okay. How much already paid? 750. This is already paid. This money goes in favor of the company. 780 goes in favor of the company. 750 goes in favor of the company. Out of the forfeited share, only 85 shares have been reissued. Another balance of 25 is not reissued. Now reissue entry. How many shares were reissued? 85 at rupees 17. This is entry for reissue. This is entry for reissue entry. How many shares were issued? 85 at rupees 17. Discount 2 rupees. 85 into 2. This is 170. So there is a difference. 17 plus 2, 19. What's the difference? 1 rupee. 85 into 1. This is a loss. 85. So he issued at what rate? 17. 1,445 we received. Then forfeited discount is how much? 2 rupees 170. How much you could not receive? 85. Then 2 share capital. This is 1,017. If you add no, that is 85 into 20 is 1,017 will come. This is 85 into 20. It is 1,017 you have received. How much you receive in cash? 1,445. How much forfeited now? This is 1 rupee. This is 2 rupees discount. Now, how the capital reserve has come? You have to resolve that. Here, debit entries for feature is 85. If you go, Here credit entry is 780 for how many share? 60 share. 750 for how many share? 50. Out of that, how much reissued? Only 25. Half of this, 375 for how many shares? 25 shares. So I can show you 5,155. Then you pass. Debit entry is 85. This is for 85. Difference is 1070. This is the entry you are going to pass. 1070. I will show you once again. See, first entry 780 for how many share? 60 share you have got a gain. Then 50 shares is 750. You got a gain. 60. This is for 25, but reissued 85. If you want, I can show in the working note. For 60 shares, you got 780. For 50 shares, you have got 750, but reissued only 25. 375. This is for how many share? 85. 5,140. Reissued at rupees 17 at a loss of 85. Debit entry. This is a debit entry, credit entry, credit entry. Deduct 0. This is 7, 0, 1. 1070. That will go to capital reserve. That's what we have shown. This. What's the entry? Forfeited shares account data to capital reserve account. The excess amount will be kept in the capital reserve. If there is any shortage of funds come, this money will be utilized. Credit entry, actually this is for 85 share, another 25 forfeited, not reissued. Forfeited, not reissued. Then before preparing the balance sheet, you have to prepare the bank account. This is, I'm going to show. Only bank you look after from the beginning. From the beginning you look after. Here, you receive how much money? 1,65,000 in application. Then 1,95,000 in allotment. Then 3 lakh in the first call. Then 99,890 in the second call. Then 1,49,650. 1,49,670 in the final call. Forfeited and share issued. How much you receive? 1,445. So on application, 1,65,000. On allotment, 1,95,000. On the first call, you receive 3 lakh. On the second call, you receive 99,890. On the final call, you receive 1,49,670. On the forfeiture and reissue, you got 1,445. So what's the total money you receive? 9,10,095. Out of that, how many application money have been written? 10,000. How much left over? 9,995 rupees. This is your cash at bank. This should be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. You remember, out of 50,000, 110 have been forfeited, but 85 has been reissued. You go to the balance sheet. Here, 49,970, how will come? Out of 50,000, 110 have been forfeited. Reissued how much? 85. So how much could not be reissued? 25. 49,970 is fully paid up. It works out 9,99,500. 375 you come. For 50 share, you have got 750. But you have taken only 25. Another 25 is forfeited, not reissued. Remember, forfeited, not reissued. How much it is a gain? It is 375. It will be kept on the liability side of the balance sheet till it is reissued. And last entry, you got a capital reserve of how much? 1,070. If you add, it will come 10,945. Your cash at bank shows as per the bank account 9,995. Here you got a 99,950. How it will come? If you see your discount, go back to the first entry. Here, how much on the debit side? 1 lakh. You remember 1 lakh debit side. 1 lakh debit side is there. Then see the discount will come. 1 lakh debit side. Credit side 120. Credit side 100. 220. Credit side 1 lakh debit side. 120. Credit side 220. Credit side 85. Debit side. 85 debit side. Remember last entry balance. How you got? You got 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees debit entry. If we go to 1 lakh rupees debit entry, then you got here no discount account 85 is there. That is said here discount and issue share. How much is there? 170. Bank account at R for discount. How much is there? 170 debit entry plus 170 debit entry minus. Then if we go now here 120, 100. If we have got no 220 is there no, then whatever the difference come, that will go to the here 99,950. So you have to show the debit and credit entry. I will explain once again. Here your debit entry is 1 lakh. You remember your debit entry is 1 lakh. Then see that where the debit entry will come. If you go with this no, there is no debit side as there. Then you got a discount on share. How much is there? Discount on share 120 is there. Here discount on share 100 rupees is there. Then you got 8 here no. Forfeited share 1 rupee. Discount is 170 is there no. Here if we make all this no, your cash at bank, here the difference will come 99,950. Debit entry, credit entry will be passed. If you want, I can explain once again. Here, you must be careful. If you could not follow, I will explain. Here, your debit entry is 1 lakh. So, we could not be received 1 lakh rupees debit entry. Then, wherever the discount comes, see that. Here, discount is how much? 120 is there. This is calls in arrears is there. Here discount is how much? 100 rupees is there. So this is credit entry. Then you got a debit entry here. 85 into 1, 85 into 170 is the debit entry. Then finalize. So here it will come 99,950. Discount on issue of share. Discount on issue of share. How much you could not be received? This discount on issue of share 99,950 will come. That should be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. That should be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. If there is a share premium, then only it will come on the liability side of the balance sheet. Discount is a loss. That should be shown on the actually asset side of the balance sheet. So credit entry has been deducted. Debit entry has been added. The difference amount I am going to write here. So here whatever the difference amount comes, that I am going to write here. That is 220 is raised. So you got 1 lakh, 170 is there now. So credit side 100 is there. Here 120 plus 100 is credit entry. 220 on the credit side. 99,950 will come. That is 1 lakh plus 170 plus 100 plus 220. Deduct now. The difference amount will come. 99,950 will come. That should be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. I think you remember 1 lakh plus 170 debit entry, 100 and 220 on the credit side is there. No, if you take the 220 minus 170 minus 50, if you take the 1 lakh minus 50 is 99,950. This is 170, 1 lakh plus 170 plus 100 plus 220, 220 minus 170 you deduct. Now, what's the difference come? 1 lakh minus 50 will come. So 99,950 should be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. I think I have explained when the shares are issued at a discount, when shares are issued at a discount, the discount should be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. If there is a share premium, that should be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. Here, only thing out of 110 share, how many shares were reissued? Only 85 has been reissued. Another 25 is not reissued. What is that is? 25 forfeited, not reissued. Forfeited, not reissued, that should be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet till it is issued. It will be kept in what's called separate amount, forfeited, not reissued. Forfeited, not reissued. That should be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. So we have solved the problem when the shares are issued at a discount. In the last session, we solved the problem at the share premium, now discount. In the next session, when the shares are issued for the purchase of asset, what's the entry to be passed for feature and reissue? So we'll go to another good problem in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Meet you in the next class with a good problem.